Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in the edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, June the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two puzzles left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cipher Block, in Japanese Suguru. This one with 4 stars. And the binary puzzle. Yes, it's a binary time. And this one will be numbers 8797. 8797. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. That's a lot. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, I need to think now. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Then, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.